Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. In it, look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, you can select Turn on Location to activate it, or tap on Close to switch it off. I will go with Close, so when I go back, as you can see, location is disabled. You can always enable it though by tapping on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Location Access to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!